Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about measurement, and there's a lot to discuss. Okay, there's two different types of measurement. There's metric measurement, which all of them end with the letter M, meter, centimeter, millimeter. And then we have US Customary, which we use in the United States. Most other countries use metric. I'll start with metric. And for length, we have meters, centimeters, and milliliters. Milliliters are extremely tiny, just 10 milliliters in 1 centimeter. A centimeter is not much bigger, only about that much for a centimeter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. 1 meter is going to be larger than your United States customary 1 yard. This is 1 yard, United States customary, 36 inches, 3 feet, right there. 1 meter is going to be 3 inches more. Right there is 1 meter. So just a little bit more than 3 feet. All right, still on metric. 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. 1 liter, I'm going to show you that right here. This is 1.25 liters. So 1 liter probably goes about right there. So this is what 1 liter of soda looks like, a little bit more than a liter. And for weight, 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram. For United States, here it is. For United States customary, we have 1 mile is 5,280 feet, 1 mile is 1,760 yards, 1 yard is 3 feet. So there's 1 yard. And then 1 foot is 12 inches. Notice that on the ruler, let's look at between 6 and 7. That slightly larger line right there is 1/4 of an inch. The really large line is 1/2 of an inch. And then the slightly smaller one is 3/4 of an inch. So you have 6 1/4, 6 1/2 inches, 6 3/4 inches, 7 inches. All right. In terms of capacity liquid, 1 gallon is 4 quarts. I have right here 1/2 gallon of milk. So 2 of those 1/2 gallons equals 1 gallon. I'm going to show you better on the gallon man picture actually. So there's 1 gallon, 4 quarts in a gallon, 8 pints in a gallon, and then all the way down to the smaller one is 16 cups. I'm also going to show you a measuring cup because it shows you 8 fluid ounces in 1 cup. So let me show you 1 cup on a measuring cup right there, and it tells you right on the measuring cup. If you can see that. That's a little bit better. 8 ounces for 1 cup. 16 ounces for 2 cups. So 2 cups is 1 pint. As it says right there, 16 ounces, 1 pint. So if you fill this up 2 times, 2 cups and 2 cups is 1 quart, which is 32 fluid ounces. So 2 of these is a quart. That means 8 of these gets you that 1 gallon. I will be sending this sheet out so you have it. Let me show you some links on IXL. Under Virginia Studies Grade 4, we have 4.8A and 4.8C. Just 3 green links, but I'm going to show you where you can find a lot more measurement practice on IXL. It gives you a ruler right here. Notice that it doesn't start at the 0. It starts at 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches is 1 inch. Then to 2.5 is 2 inches. This one also starts at 1/2 inch. That's 1 inch. That's 2 inches. That's 3 inches. Notice this one starts at 1/2 inch as well. 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 1.5, 2 inches. It stops at 3, so that's 2.5 inches. Remember, 1/2 as a decimal is 0.5. All right, 1/4 as a decimal is 0.25, and 3/4 as a decimal is 0.75. All right, let me show you the next one. That was under 4.8a. Let me show you 4.8c, which is compare and convert customary units of length. Which is more, 3 feet or 1 yard? 3 feet is equal to a yard. Which is more, 4 inches or a foot? As I told you, there are 12 inches in a foot, so that is much more. Which is more, 1 mile or 121 yards? There are 1,760 yards in a mile, so a mile is much larger than 121 yards. Let me show you the last one, which is compare and convert customary units of volume, which is liquids. Which is more, 14 pints or 1 gallon. Going back to gallon man here. There are 8 pints, there are 8 pints in 1 gallon. So therefore 14 pints is going to be much larger than 1 gallon. Which is more, 1 pint or 4 cups? Going back to gallon man. Not that one. You see that there's 2 cups in 1 pint. So therefore 4 cups is going to be larger than a pint. One other spot you can go is if you get on the IXL homepage, instead of clicking Virginia SOL, you're going to click Math. You're going to scroll down to 4th grade. Click that. You're going to scroll all the way down to letter N. And you have 20 green links you can choose under letter N that deal with measurement conversions. If you have any questions, as usual, please feel free to email me. Talk to you soon. Bye.